Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country, and you've joined me here today at this beautiful 5 double-bedroom detached home in the delightful village of Wootton, North Leamington Spa. Property's got beautiful gardens, front and rear, of over half an acre. We've also got a paddock at the rear of over 1.5 acres. The whole plot is over 2 acres. Let's take a look inside. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this absolutely immaculate home. You've joined me in the beautiful rear gardens where you can hear the birds. It really is a wonderful place to be. You've got a garden room, pergola, and at the rear we've got a paddock of over 1.5 acres. If you would like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.